Hello dear students, welcome to the grammar class. Myself Pratibha Bhatnagar going to explain you the grammar lesson determiners. Determiners are the words that are used before noun. There are different types of determiners. For example, article, quantifier, demonstrative, possessive, cardinal, ordinal, distributive and interrogatives. Yes, now today I am going to tell you about the difference between determiners and adjectives, as both tell something about the noun. First, determiners. A determiner points exactly about the noun which is being talked about. And adjective give more information about the noun. Second difference, determiner can be placed only before a noun. Determiner can be placed only before a noun, while adjective can be placed before or after the noun. Third difference, determiner changes according to the quantity of the noun, while adjective do not change by the quantity of the noun. It remains same for singular or plural form of the noun. Well, I am going to tell you about first kind of determiner, that is article. A, an and they are the articles. A and an are the indefinite article, while the is a definite article. A is used before singular words that begin with a consonant sound, and an is used before singular words that begin with the vowel sound. Now, second type of determiner, that is quantifier. Quantifier tell us about the number or quantity. They tell us about the number or quantity. Quantifiers can be used with countable or uncountable nouns. Little, a little and the little show very small amount or quantity that is used before uncountable nouns. Little means hardly any. It comes as a negative, means nothing. For example, there is a little light in the room, means there is no light in the room, or very slow light in the room, very low light in the room. Second, a little means a small amount. It comes for positive, means there is something. Okay, it means a small amount. There was a little milk left in the bottle, means there was milk but it was very little. There was a small amount of milk. Third, the little. The little means very little but all that was there. Though it was very little, but that was all what was there. That is the little. Okay, the little. There was the little money he saved, means he was having only little money that he saved. This type of determiner means quantifier are few, a few and the few. They are used with a very small quantity of countable nouns. Some is used with a reasonable amount of something and used as a positive statement, but may be used with uncountable nouns. For example, could you add some sugar in the coffee? It is with uncountable noun. Sugar is incountable noun, so we use some. Okay, then second example, on some day I like waking up later than usual. So here it is countable noun. Day is countable. Days are countable nouns. Another quantifier is any. It carries negative meaning. Used with uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns. For example, do you have any leftover food in your kitchen? Food. Here, I don't have any books to read this week. Here, books are countable noun and their food uncountable noun. Okay. Then next is much and many. It shows the large quantity. Much is used with uncountable nouns and many is used with countable nouns.